Pleasantly everyone, especially to you ma'am. So we are the Mathematics group and today we are going to present our mathematical investigation. So our assigned topic is about friendly numbers, solitary numbers, and perfect numbers. So before we formally begin our presentation, allow me to present to you my co-members. Begin with Asadil Nur Hafiza S, Priyan Yuan A. And truly yours, Jamil M. Dalavis from DZ Math 2H. Abstraction. This study tackles about the importance of numbers in our life and where it is used. Among the types of numbers are friendly numbers, solitary numbers, and perfect numbers. We, the researcher, are trying to probe and investigate the relationship of the three and how it differs to one another in terms of application and use. So, steps in mathematical investigation are: first is a statement of the problem, organize and record data, make conjecture, verify the conjecture, justify the conjecture, and summary. Introduction. Number rules the universe, according to great mathematician Pythagoras. Number is really important to our lives with the means of bringing order and certainty in life. Without numbers, everything becomes too random. The entropy in our lives will be too high. Number balance energy in this world. It makes impossible possible. Hence, numbers are classified into the following, such as friendly numbers, solitary numbers, and perfect numbers. And each of them have different ways and purpose that used in mathematical conceptualization. And knowing these three can help us to determine the value of numbers. So this is our statement of the problem. So for all the numbers which said to be friendly numbers, prove that all friendly numbers are perfect number by letting n be a value of the following number such as 6, 28, and 0.96. Organize and record data. So friendly numbers are defined as a numbers which share a relationship with other numbers, and solitary numbers are numbers which don't share a common relationship with any numbers. So when I say perfect numbers, on other hand, it is a number whose proper factor excluding itself add to the number. So to discuss the second step in making mathematical investigation, may I call on Priya Johan.
So, hello everyone, I am Priya A. Johan and I am going to present the organize and record data. So, here's in the table, there are two columns. Number one is the types of number and the next column is process on solving. So, there are two columns in the table. First one is the types of numbers and the next is process on solving. So, let us first discuss the types of numbers. There are three types of numbers: friendly numbers, solitary numbers, and perfect numbers. So, in friendly numbers satisfy the formula of tan A divided by A equals to tan B divided by B. So, for example, tan 6 divided by 6, the factor is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 6 equals to 2. So, next example is tan 28 divided by 28 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 14 plus 28, which is the factor divided by 28 equals to 2. So hence 6 and 28 are friendly numbers. 6 and 28 are friendly numbers. Why? It is because 6 and 28 are share a common relationship, which is 2. So next is solitary numbers. In solitary numbers, it satisfies the following relationship, which is highest common factor of tan A and A is equals to 1. So for example, tan 9, the factor is 1 plus 3 plus 9 is equals to 13. So the highest common factor of 9 and 13 is equals to 1. So 9 is a solitary. Next, perfect numbers. As defined earlier, a factor of a number excluding itself is equal to the sum of number. So for instance, 6. The factor of 6 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. So these are the following examples of perfect numbers. So next step, make a conjecture. So our hypothesis is first, friendly numbers such 6, 28, and 496 are perfect numbers. And second, not all friendly numbers are perfect numbers. So in this step, we need to verify our conjecture. Since 6, 28, and 496 are all friendly numbers, they are also perfect numbers. And next is 12, 24, and 30 is a friendly numbers, but not a perfect numbers. So in next step, we will going to justify our conjecture. So the question is 6, 28, and 496 are friendly numbers and are perfect numbers? So here in the table, we are going to show you the relationship between the two numbers, which is friendly numbers and perfect numbers. So the given is 6, 28, and 496. We will now discuss first the number 6. So 6 in the friendly numbers, tan 6 divided by 6, which is the factor of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 6, will give us 2. So in perfect number, the factors of 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. So next, 28. In friendly numbers, tan 28 divided by 28, which is give us the factor 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 and plus 28. Divided by 28 will give us 2. In perfect numbers, the factors of 28 is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 will give us 28. So next, in 496, it gives us tan 496 divided by 496 will give us the factor of 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 31 plus 62 plus 124 plus 248 plus 496 divided by 496 will give us 2. So this 6, 28, and 496 will give us the same advanced index, which is 2. Perfect numbers of 496 will give us the factor of 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 31 plus 62 plus 124 plus 248. It gives us 496. In our statement of the problem, we need to prove if all friendly numbers are perfect numbers. So in this second table, we will going to show you if all friendly numbers are perfect numbers. So let our n be 12, 24, and 30. So the next column, it is the solving in friendly numbers, and the next column solving for perfect numbers. So let us solve for 12. So tan 12 divided by 12, which give us the factors of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. divided by 12 will give us 2. In perfect number, the factors of 12, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 will give us 16. So, next is 24. Tan 24 divided by 24. The factor of 24 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24 divided by 24 is equals to 2. In perfect number, the factor of 24 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and plus 12. It gives us 36. Next, 30. Tan 30 divided by 30 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 plus 30 divided by 30 will give us 2. In perfect numbers, the factors of 30 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 will give us 42. So, in this table, it shows us the relationship of 2. That it concludes that not all friendly numbers are perfect numbers.
So, good morning everyone, this is Asadil, and we are now down to our conclusion or the summary of our mathematical investigation. But before we proceed, let us first have a recap with what is friendly, solitary, and perfect numbers. Friendly numbers, just like what they have mentioned earlier, it is a numbers which share a relationship with other numbers. And solitary numbers are numbers which don't share a common relationship with any other numbers. This means that all primes and prime powers are solitary. The last one is the perfect numbers. Perfect numbers are numbers whose proper factors, excluding itself, add to the number. So they have already given a example earlier, and now we are going to conclude or give the summary. So in general, we notice that all numbers that is said to be friendly numbers are not all perfect numbers. But there is also an exceptional numbers which are 6, 28, and 496. It is said to be perfect numbers which are also true for friendly numbers. On the other hand, we also conclude that number 12, 24, and 30 are friendly numbers but not perfect numbers. Hence, friendly numbers won't always be a perfect number.
So that is all, ma'am, and thank you for watching.